A group of 4-day-old gray partridge chicks waddle around, full of energy. Though small, they challenge each other, flapping tiny wings and pecking in playful combat. Their parents, watching from nearby, try to steal their meal, testing their young instincts, but the chicks stand their ground, each one determined to prove its bravery. They hop, they push, they chirp loudly, refusing to back down from the fight. Every little battle strengthens them, preparing them for the challenges of the wild. Their parents, amused yet proud, let them squabble knowing this is nature's way. Wow, such a heartwarming sight, tiny warriors in the making. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more amazing, lovely nature moments.